In this video, we are going to see how we can hide the email address from your Facebook profile. So if you do not want to show your email in the about section, it appears in the contact info. If you want to hide that completely from the public, here's how you can do it. First of all, just make sure you switch to your profile from the top right hand corner and click on the profile icon. And after that, just click on the about settings and head over to the contact info. Once you head over to the contact info, here is your email. It is shown as public. If it shows this globe icon, or otherwise it will show this to people if it is shared with friends. So if you want to completely hide this, all you have to do is just click on this little icon and share it only with me. That means it will be completely hidden from the public. And after that, if you want to make sure how it appears in the public view, you just click on the three dots and click on view as, and we just scroll to the personal details and all, or even you can refresh this to make sure that it updates all the changes, and you can see it is not appearing anywhere. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.